Hey everyone, do you know a Kubestronaut is an expert who has completed all 5 Kubernetes certification, including CKA, CKAD, KCNA, KCSA, and CKS. Becoming a Kubestronaut means you have mastered Kubernetes from all angles. And if you wish to become Kubestronaut in 2025, then you have come to the right place. Make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's go. Becoming a Kubestronaut will teach you so many things about Kubernetes along with different benefits, which includes an exclusive Kubestronaut jacket, which you can show off. You also get Kubestronaut Friendly badge that you can add on your LinkedIn or on your resume. You will get access to private Slack community and a mailing list that is only available to Kubestronaut. Additionally, you also get 50% off on all your Kubernetes certifications that you can use yourself or even share with your friends. Plus, you also get 25% off on all CNCF events like KubeCon every year. In order to become a Kubestronaut, you need to study and pass the 5 Kubernetes certification. And you can check out this Kubestronaut knowledge graph by Kodekloud, which includes topics for every exam questions that you might get. But if you're very serious on becoming a Kubestronaut and you want to fast pace your learning, you need to check out this Kubestronaut cohort by Kodekloud founder Mumshad. Mumshad is a great instructor and teaches Kubernetes in a very simple manner. And to help you become a Kubestronaut, Mumshad is running a year-long free cohort to make you a Kubestronaut, providing you with different resources which includes a free ebook. This ebook is a guide which will cover all exam domains with tips and checklists. You will also be getting free email courses on your registered email, which will provide you with foundational knowledge to help you understand topics more properly. Along with this, you can also join the exclusive Kubestronaut community by Kodekloud, where you can ask your questions, ask your doubt, and prepare with other fellow Kubestronauts as well. To track your progress and to stay motivated while you are learning, you can also check out your stat on the gaming leaderboard along with other learners. Not just this, if you are a part of this cohort, you can also get bi-weekly sessions where you can ask questions like to Mumshad and some other amazing guests like Golden Kubestronauts, Christoph Sotiar, Lee Hao, and more. I'm already a part of this program and I see new things coming up every month. So I would highly recommend this to anyone who is preparing for Kubestronaut journey. Plus, all of this is for free. The program itself is for free, but if you get a Kodekloud subscription, you can access premium resources shared during the program. This is the second Kubestronaut cohort by Kodekloud. The first one started in January 2025, and the results are amazing. You can see so many people have already become Kubestronaut, and there are more than 170 people who have got more than 2 certifications, including CKA and CKAD, in just 3 months. So I would highly recommend you to join this free cohort by Kodekloud. The link is in description. Go ahead and sign up right now. Now, some of you might have a question. What if you don't want to become a Kubestronaut? You just want to get 2 or 3 certifications, maybe CKA, CKAD. Can you still join this cohort? The answer is yes. Although this cohort is created in order to make you a Kubestronaut, you can still join and there's no restrictions. You can get either 2 certifications, 3 certification, or become a Kubestronaut by getting all the 5 certifications. Plus, there's one thing I need to tell you. The enrollment for this cohort is going to be limited till May 15. You can register till May 15 to join this cohort. But if you cannot join this cohort, the next cohort is going to be in July 2025. So make sure you check this out. The link is in description. Thank you and have a good day.